Buying an air compressor? Avoid these costly mistakes. Choosing the wrong size. Undersized compressors lead to downtime and frustration. Ignoring the spec sheet. Know your tool's air demand before you buy. Wrong technology. Rotary screw versus piston compressors. Select the right technology based on duty cycle, airflow demand, and operational efficiency. Poor piping layout. Long piping runs and sharp bends cause pressure drops, leading to energy loss and reduced system efficiency. Neglecting maintenance. Cheap now, but expensive later. Neglecting maintenance might save a few bucks today, but leads to costly repairs or downtime down the road. Avoid these mistakes. Make an informed choice with the right air compressor your operations deserve.